Hi friends, in this new video we're going to review 5 key aspects to take into account when choosing your Insulate metal panel. Technical consideration, but also aesthetic ones. I'm Carlos Albanez and this is IG Tips. Where and what am I going to use the Insulate metal panel for? Every time the technology in the manufacture of Insulate metal panel is improving. Advances in finish, use of materials and performance has taken an important step in recent years. Manufacture of its exterior element not only in steel but also in aluminum, wood or PVC. Different finishes and textures, as well as special paints that are much more resistant to environmental conditions, are some of the advances that we benefit from today. Those Insulate metal panels for industrial use in very few colors or limited texture and finish have been left behind. At present, we have the possibility of using the panel in unique residential and commercial projects with a wide variety of color and features. Roof, walls, decorative elements or industrial cold storage rooms are some of the construction elements in which you can install this versatile product. What thermal insulation do I need? The panel, due to its composition, is made of an insulate core between two outer plates. It has very low thermal transfer properties, and this is possible in much smaller thickness than other types of traditional materials. This allows us to achieve much more comfortable indoor environments and low electrician consumptions in mechanical ventilation systems. What is the required fire resistance? The most common is to find cores made of PUR. If we need higher fire resistant feature, we have cores made of PIR. Many people are unaware that we can also find rockwool cores, which still provide us with much higher performance than PIR. It is important to consult your panel supplier for the performance of the product to meet the regulatory requirement for your project. What wind resistant conditions must I meet? The Insulate panel provides performance wind resistance far above other materials. The double layer of galvanized steel together with the rigidity provided by the core allow us to have support point of the Insulate metal panel at a greater distance. In this way, there is a cost reduction in the design of the secondary structure. What is the aesthetic aspect that I want for my project? The variety of aesthetic texture available for the Insulate metal panel is very wide. We move away from that smooth and anonymous finish that come to mind, passing to architectural finish with various mini wave design, to dove finish imitation tiles or stone type roof. Therefore, we find finish and texture for all project needs. In some chapter, we'll learn more properties and solutions with the Insulate metal panel. See you soon.